In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move rows of data in Google Sheets. Whether you're tidying up a large spreadsheet or reorganizing information for a presentation, learning how to efficiently move rows can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Google Sheets document. Once your spreadsheet is up on the screen, locate the rows you'd like to move. This could be a single row or a series of rows. If you need to select multiple rows, you can do so either by clicking and dragging from the starting row down to the last row you want to move, or you can hold down the Shift key and click the rows individually. Take a moment to ensure you have highlighted all the necessary data, as this step sets the foundation for the rest. After selecting your rows, you'll need to execute the Cut command. Do this by right-clicking on the highlighted area. A contextual menu will appear, providing several options. Look for the Cut option and click on it. This command essentially prepares your data for relocation. It's important to note that when you cut data, it's temporarily removed from its original place, but don't worry, you'll be pasting it back soon. Next, you'll want to navigate to the new location in your spreadsheet where you wish to move your data. This would usually be a different part of the same sheet, or possibly even another sheet within the same document. Click on the upper left cell of your desired destination. This means, if you're moving multiple rows, you should select the cell that corresponds to where the first cell of your first row should land. Once you've made your selection, it's time to perform the paste action. Right-click on the chosen cell, revealing the contextual menu once more, and then click on Paste. Watch as your previously cut data now reappears at its new location in your Google Sheet. This paste action ensures that all of your selected rows, complete with their contents, are transferred accurately. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your rows of data to a new location within your Google Sheet. A quick couple of clicks, and you've rearranged your spreadsheet to better fit your needs. Remember, this method is not just limited to moving data within the same sheet. You can also transfer rows between different sheets in the same document using this approach. If you follow these simple steps, you'll be organizing your data like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital workspace. Enjoy organizing with ease.